Good morning, guys. All right, so it is Chrysler 300 day. We have the car here. So this is my 1963 Chrysler 300. It is a 383 big block. Was originally a push button automatic. We had the 727 in it. I have taken that out. I found, so 1963 apparently was one of the first years, if not the first year, for 4-speed for Chrysler and Dodge. And it was the year before the 833 4-speed. So it had a BorgWarner T10. They only made a handful of these things apparently. I found one. And as you can see, I have the shifter in there, 3 pedals, so on and so forth. So after $1 billion and lots of research and about 1.5 years of collecting parts, it's now 4-speed. So today we are going to take this old intake manifold off and replace it with this Edelbrock Performer RPM that we have got it brand new for Christmas. We already cleared it. I've got the Edelbrock intake manifold bolts. I've also got all the gaskets and so on that go with it. A lot of it came from 440 source. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. I've got the rag back there to catch some fuel. I'm getting ready to pull a fuel line. And yes, I know it's an absolute crazy fuel line here, but that'll be getting redone correctly. It's just something we did just to get it on here and running. The problem we had was the intake set so low. The fuel line, if you flip this around, it would run right into your vacuum advance. So I'm thinking with the new height, the new intake manifold, I might be able to get up above that and actually put this thing on the way it's supposed to be. So that's the hope. We do finally have brakes. We have power brakes, which is great. Something that this car didn't have. So this was a manual brakes, 4-wheel drum. So now it is rear drum and front disc. So I've got 11-inch rotors. I kind of pieced together a kit. I've got 11-inch brake rotors off of a 88 Cordoba. I've got calipers, 2-piston calipers off of a, I believe it's an 89 Coupe de Ville, Cadillac Coupe de Ville. And then a company called Scarebird made the caliper brackets. Wasn't for this car exactly, but it was for one real close. For the life of me, I can't think of what the name of that was. It's been about a year. But that enabled us to be able to put them on here. So got that off the C-Bodies forum. A couple guys had done that, so we have that. We've got the 670 Street Avenger. I had a 750 double pumper that was just too much fuel. This one runs perfect, so we're not going to touch it. We're just going to pull it off. The idea here is to eventually have the Edelbrock polished fin valve covers, HP exhaust manifolds, the intake manifold we're about to put on it, a serpentine pulley system here instead of all of this, and then clean up this engine bay, get everything where it needs to be, and then we're debating on whether to put the shaker hood on here or to just leave it alone. Put a nice fin billet air cleaner, kind of like what's on my dad's 1940 Ford right here. this is our other baby that we've been working on. We built the 350 that's in this. It's also a 4-speed. We actually got his 4-speed. I bought his 4-speed for him for his birthday when we bought my 4-speed. So, yeah, we just got the glass in. Yes, I know the windshield's broke. That's the original windshield. We're pulling that out. We just put it in so we could drive around the neighborhood and, you know, not need goggles, making our eyes water with all the wind. But it's got the TCI rear suspension. It's got Mustang 2 front suspension, 350 4-speed, all the goodies. It's got a polished stainless steel exhaust on it. Got the Ford motor script gauges. I did its steering column. We haven't put the wheel in it yet because we don't want to kill it yet. Some of the insulation's done. It's got specialty power windows. It's got California mirrors. It's going to have some kind of wheel on it that's way better than these, but these actually got us the right fitment. Car will be going black. One of the things he's getting ready to do is the Hagen fuel door here. We have taillights. He's going to do the Hagen fuel door and everything so we can actually put gas in it without a hose. And, you know, keep getting this thing ready for paint. It's not that far off right now, even though it's, you know, 10 different colors. We jam the windows when we put the windows in and so on and so forth. Really nice car though. This car we got in, I actually bought it off of eBay, believe it or not. Bought the body and frame off of eBay. It had no fenders, no hood. Had one running board on the driver's side. So we found a hood, 2 front fenders, grill, passenger running board, which I swear to God, we looked for a passenger running board for 3 years at every show we go to, and finally found one. But anyway, back to the task at hand. Today is intake manifold day. I'm going to get to it, and I will keep you posted. So here you go. See you soon.